Welcome to the Jackass break. Let's see. 7 o'clock. Two box Jackass break. Thank everyone for being patient. Sorry for the delay. That's cool. Still. Come on. There we go. Oh, bitch to open. Well, what the fuck? The fuck are you supposed to open this? Really don't want to ruin the box. There we go. No? The fuck? Jesus Christ. Definitely fucking secure. Okay. Sorry about that. It's a nice looking box though, besides bullshit it is to open. Let's see. We got 10 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. Yeah, there better be. We got tits. We got tits on the first card. Got a behind the scenes movie poster. Got a rookie of poopies. This is so weird. Let's see here. The mini loop. Got a behind the scenes. Got a Francis Nwangwu. Got Chris. And Scorpion injections. Got a shiny card. The Puppet Show. Got Johnny behind the scenes. Got a Jackass. We got numbered to 100. The Toro Totter. 44 out of 100. Okay. Such weird card, I don't know where to put anything. Usually have a base pile and not a base pile, but... Big Red Rocket. Got a behind the scenes. Got PK Subban. Rick. Got a legend, Rick. Got the Mush. The Mush. Another shiny card. Got Party Boy behind the lens with a bunch of dildos. Movie poster. Then we got a golf course air horn, just a silver or a, I don't know, platinum or chrome card. And then a the musical airbag chairs. Got a red, it looks like. Got the tiny toilet. We got a chrome. Oh, there's 3 chrome in here. Got a chrome Wee Wee Man. Got a rookie of Jasper, rookie chrome. And then you got a red /25, the sweatsuit cocktail. The best pack yet. Number 25, 23 of 25, the sweatsuit cocktail. That is gross. Oh my goodness. Then you have the Pinosaurus. Got the bull. Behind the lens. Oh. Got Rob Dietrich, Dave England, and The Quiet Game. So that might... Men in Underpants. We got a behind the lens. Got a Jackass 3D movie poster. Rachel Wolfson, rookie. And then another Rachel, Quiet Game. I believe this should be the last pack of this box. Pack was weird. Let's see if we got any chrome. Doesn't look like it. The Yak Challenge. We got a Tony Hawk. Got a Spike Jones legend card. And the Quiet Game with Steve-O. Oh. Got a pack hidden up there. Nothing else in there. Okay, one more pack. Feels a little thicker. Got another chrome, I think number to 100. The Firehouse, the Fish Hook. Oh my goodness. Behind the lens. Then we have Eric Andre, number 2/100. Got 3 numbered cards and 3 chrome cards, 4 chrome cards. This is not too shabby. This is the first box. Got a Andre. Got a Sweat Cocktail, the 25, and then Toro Totter. Okay, second box. Let's see how long this takes to open. Oh, wait a minute. This was... I know one of you knows a lot about these cards. What is the difference? I remember when I was reading the checklist, there was some kind of difference between this and this. The two different colors. Is the amount of like print run it went on or whatever. I don't know which one. I don't know if red or silver is better. Let's hope one of them is better. We did get a red card. I don't know. If anyone knows that, that'd be nice. Are you freaking kidding me? I just pushed it down. I am a disappointment. Okay. Wow. These cards are... I think silver's common and red rare. I know there is... Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know, that's what I thought. So red is more rare, which is, I guess we got a rarer box. Maybe that's why we got the number to 25 card. I don't probably should have looked into what the colors mean, but at least we got a red one. That's nice. We got a chrome here. We got Beauty and the Beast. Behind the lens, we got a Eric Mankata rookie. Got a Rachel Wolfson Chrome rookie. And the Coffee Truck Prank. Let's see here. Irving and Gloria. Tit pick. Behind the lens. Got a Russian, I have no idea of Russian, card poster. It's a very nice print line right down the middle. I don't know, I'm going to say Russian, it's probably not Russian. Got a Jackass group shot right there. And then Underwater Fire Farts from Jackass Forever. Okay, we got a blue in this one. We got the Tiny Toilet. Behind the lens. We got Behind the Lens numbered to 50. Jackass 3.5. Not bad. Got a chrome grip shot and a fake backdrop. Let's see, we got the mini loop. We got a number to 100 card in here. Got another Tony Hawk. Preston Lacey, first one of him. Got a movie poster for Jackass number 2. Oh, the vulture. Oh, that was bad. Number to 100. It's 3 of 100. Be nice if it was 2. Is that right there? Not bad. Okay, got another one. We got the Puppet Show, Behind the Lens. Got Zach Holmes, rookie. Oh my goodness. Got a group shot. And the Mush, number 2/100. Beautiful card. Let's see here. Got another one. Got the Yak Charge. Got Butterbean. Oh, lovely. Lance Briggs, or Bangs, not Briggs. Oh, we got an auto. Probably already saw that, but the Bush of the Bees. Okay. And we got an auto. Number 2/100 of Dave England. Well, that's nice. We could get an auto. It looks like almost fake. But it's very nice. I wasn't really sure about the odds of an auto. But we got one. I would say this less rare box is already better than the last one. Still have 4 packs to go. I know there's a few players we haven't, or a few not players, a few people we haven't got. We haven't got Steve-O, we haven't got MKG. There's Tyler the Creator. We haven't had him yet. New card. There's Johnny, our first Johnny, and then the Seaman that they dropped on him. 3 packs to get. Let's see, we need a Steve-O, an MKG. I don't know if there's anyone else we haven't really gotten yet. So we got Men in Underpants. Another Behind the Lens. Movie poster for Jackass Forever. Group shots. And the Bull Magician. Let's see, 2 packs left. The Red Rocket, Behind the Lens. We got a Tony Belcia. I think that's it. Got a Legend, Spike Jones. And then the Bathing Beauty. Last pack. Let's see if we can get some numbered action. Looks like we got a Chrome card. That is an amazing picture. The Woodpecker. Got a Chrome. It is not numbered, but it is a Chrome. Got Party Boy. Behind the Scenes. Movie poster for Jackass Forever. Scorpion Lip Injections are the last Chrome card. And we got the Woodpecker. That will do it for the break. This is what we got out of the last pack. We got the Mush, number 2/100. Jackass number 2, numbered 2/100. Movie card. Got a Behind the Lens, number to 50. And then a Dave England, number to 100 auto. Got the hit here. Let's hope. Here it is. Thank you for joining. Thanks for joining, and thank you for understanding the slight delay that we had, and have a good day.